Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation on Canva. So let's dive in. So this is our Canva. Now you're going to search what you want to create. So click on this plus menu button and go and search for what you want to create. So you're going to write PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and now click on search, and this is it. So what are things that you wanted to create? Is a presentation for party. Let's wait. Canva is loading on our presentation here. Okay, so let's click on this. Let's say presentation. So Canva is going to load some presentation for us, some presentation templates for us that we can just customize very easily. So search for PowerPoint, PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Now, which one do you want to? So let's click on this. You can say PowerPoint presentation here now. So some templates are going to load for us. So these are the templates that we can just customize. Oh, it's easy also. So let's check the one. So look at this. Some presentation I approve. So you will know you are not on pro version. Don't click on that pro version because you'll not be able to customize it. So I'm going to click on the free one now. For example, now this is the free one. So you click on this now. And once you click on this, you can click on apply all 17 pages. So let's apply all and let's customize our PowerPoint. Okay, apply all. So this is it. Now this is our presentation. So this is 17 presentation. If you do not need any slide here, yes, we can delete it. So if you want to delete any slide from it that you do not need, well, that we do not need, so just come here, click on it like this, you can see, and you come here and click on delete. So this now we have delete one from it now. So come here again, click here, sorry, not background, click on this one, you can just delete it here now. All right, so this is it. Just click on it and you can just delete this page. You can delete and you can also add the page, hide the page. So let's do this. Go back here like this, and this is it. Let's start from the first one. Let's customize this now. Just click on it to customize the this place. If you want to write anything, you want to change anything, let's just change it to something like my my project. You can see, just you can move it up here. If you want to delete this, you can delete it. Just click on it and you click on delete. Click on here, click on what you want to delete here. This one, let's say it. Just click on it. And this. I want to delete this one now. Alright, so let's say just use your hand to move it up here. You can see Let's set it very well. My project. If you want to replace this thing now, you can just click on replace, and you can use anything for you that maybe it's gallery you want to use or anything. So let me just click on something. Let me use this now. You can see I've replaced it now. Then you see if you want to change the color, just just go here and go here, and you can change the color of this. Let's see, click on it, change the color. Is it? Click on this, change the color. Okay, I think this thing is our background is white. So that's why we're unable to change the color of this one now. So if we want to adjust it, let's wait for it. Let's see. The temperature, you can change the temperature, you can see. Okay, so let me change the color of my what I want so that I'll be able to see it very well. Let's change the color. This is black, you can see. You can delete this, just delete it. And if you don't want to delete, click on this. You can delete this one too. Click on it. Sorry guys, you can delete, and this is it now. My projects, if you want to write anything here again, just come here, click this button and click the text and add a text box. Click on add a text box and just use the hand to minimize so that you'll be able to see what you're writing. I can use the hand to click on it here. Just click on it back. This is it. So this is my text now. Use the hand to carry it here and write something. To increase the font size, click on here and you can increase the font size here like this. You can make it small like this. You can see. Let's write. Click on edit and write something there like this now. Alright. And okay, you can see. So just click on this to save it. Click on this back to move it. You can see. If you want to change the font, just click on this. And this is the font. You can go and check any font that you want. Let's see. Okay, let's see another. I'm looking for another font here. Let's change it to this. You can see all is another font. There's another font. And there's another font. You can browse, you can just go through all the fonts and choose the one that you want for your design. And once you are done, click this button. Then you can go and customize the second one exactly like the first one. If you want to add, remove, or do anything, you can do anything. If you want to change this background also, you can change all the background. So it is very easy. Once you are done with everything that you want to customize here, you can see once you're done with everything, and this one that you do not need, just click here like this. Did you see? And you do like this. Just you can see, click on delete and you delete the page. Did you see? So this is how you delete the page. Just click on it back. Just click on it, and you want to delete any pages and to resize it small to make it on the page view. And this is it. Just click on any page you wanted to delete. I want to delete this page 6 here. Click on delete and you'll be able to delete it. You want to delete this one, just click on delete. And once you want to delete anyway, click on delete and delete. And if you want to edit it, just click on it and you can automatically, it's going to take you to where you're going to edit it. So that is very easy. And once you're done with everything perfectly, just click on this your button menu here, and this is it. You can now download. You can see. So save whatever you wanted to do, all the pages, and you want, just click on download, and you are going to download your design very easily. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.